Hi there, my name is Numan Ahmed and you are watching my Textile YouTube channel. So before going ahead, please subscribe it. Okay, today's topic is thread count. Okay guys, you must have seen that whenever you go to a shopping mall to shop for bed sheets or something, you find this type of thing. T-150, T-180, T-300 and something. What is this T? T is actually the thread count. So what is actually thread count and how it is made? You guys must know that when we weave a fabric or when we make a fabric, we use two yarns or two threads. One in vertical direction, the second one in horizontal direction. It's like this. It's like this. So it's like going like this and interlock, and these are the vertical yarns and these are the horizontal yarns. So we make a fabric like this. Now, whenever we make a fabric, what we do that in a square inch, we have to make. Let's say, for example, it's a T200 fabric. Then what we'll do that in a fabric, in 1 square inch, we will make thread counts, or we will make adjustments of threads in such a way that there will be 200 threads warp and weft, vertical and horizontal. The vertical threads are called warp and the horizontal threads are called weft. So we simply make a fabric, and it can be made like this. It can be 100 by 100, 100 vertical threads, 100 horizontal threads, 110 90, 120 80, 170 30, anything. Usually we make fabric in 110 90 or 130 70. But how to check it? So we use a pig glass. It's a microscopic glass, and from that we actually count the threads in the vertical and in the horizontal directions. But the story doesn't end here. It goes ahead. When we make the fabric, we never make the fabric like this 110 by 90. Let's suppose if we have to make a finished fabric in which you will be checking the thread counts with a pig glass, with a microscope, and there will be 110 threads like this and 90 threads like this. It will be made on looms like 100 by 94. Yeah, it must amaze you. So 194 means 194. So how it becomes 200? It's very simple. This is a basic chemistry. Whenever we dip the fabric in bleaching or dyeing or even in water, there's an element called shrinkage. The fabric shrink inside. Usually in cotton, it shrinks 8% inside. 8% fabric shrinks inside. So what happens? What is actually shrinkage? The yarn, the threads of warp, the threads which are going in vertical directions, after touching water, it becomes like this, shrinks, comes together, close together. So what happens that, for example, we make 100 yarns, 100 vertical yarns on the loom. After dipping it, after touching the water, the fabric will shrink, which means the yarn will come inside the 1 inch. For example, there are 100 yarns, so 8 to 9 yarns which are outside that 1 inch will come inside the 1 inch. So it will shrink, the yarn will come inside. So now that 100 vertical yarns will become 109 or 110. If we use 110, then why we are using 94 in the horizontal directions? Because when it goes on bleaching, dyeing, finishing, and every stage, it actually stretches, the fabric stretches, and there's a thing called elongation. Elongation means it actually stretches. So the threads in horizontal direction actually stretches and goes down. Usually 2 thread goes down. So if we are planning to make a 94 threads in horizontal direction, after bleaching or after dyeing, it will become 92 threads. So this is how. So usually we save 6 to 7 threads, which actually 3 to 4% of the cost. So we actually save 3 to 4% of the cost of the fabric. That's the thing. Okay guys, this is my YouTube channel and my name is Numan Ahmed. Please viral my this video. And one more thing, that I've made some ebooks, although these are in Urdu language, but you can purchase it and by using subtitles. Okay. And one more thing, corona is again spreading. This South African corona, I don't know much about that, but it's again. So guys, you need to take care, you need to wear mask, and that's the thing. Okay, take care. Allah.